If you've ever struggled to find a rotary hammer that truly fits your needs, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best rotary hammers from weakest to strongest, so you can pick the perfect one for your next project. Starting off our list at number 5, we've got the NEIKO, a cordless rotary hammer that's all about convenience and freedom of movement. It's designed for anyone who hates dealing with cords on the job site. With a 20-volt battery, it offers a reasonable balance between mobility and moderate power, making it a decent choice for light to medium-duty drilling and chiseling. The NEIKO gives you 4 operation modes: drilling, hammering, and chiseling, which makes it surprisingly versatile for its category. It also features a brushless motor for improved efficiency and a built-in LED light for better visibility in low-light spaces. You can definitely tell that this tool is made for users who value flexibility and portability over raw muscle. However, there are a few caveats. The most obvious one: there's no published impact energy rating, so it's hard to compare it directly with other models. And while it's cordless, it's also on the heavier side at nearly 14 pounds, which can wear you out if you're working for long periods. This hammer is great for homeowners, handymen, or anyone who occasionally drills into masonry but doesn't need a high-power commercial unit. If you're looking for a solid cordless option, this one does the job without breaking the bank. And by the way, you'll find links to all the tools featured in today's review at the best available prices right down below in the description. Next up at number 4, we have the DEWALT. This one is all about balance. A lightweight corded rotary hammer that offers reliability and precision, especially for users who work on small concrete projects or detailed drilling jobs. DEWALT's hammer provides excellent control with its 3 operating modes: drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling. It also includes DEWALT's Shock's active vibration control, which really makes a difference if you're working for long hours. Its high BPM rate of over 5,000 means you'll get fast and efficient drilling in concrete and masonry. That said, this hammer doesn't have the kind of impact energy needed for heavy demolition work. At just 2.2 foot-pounds, it's better suited for anchor holes, wall chasing, or smaller material removal tasks. Plus, being corded limits your mobility compared to newer cordless systems. Still, if you want a lightweight, easy-to-control rotary hammer from a brand with a reputation for reliability, this is a great choice for both DIYers and professionals. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and keeps these reviews coming your way. In third place, we've got the DOVAMAN, a surprisingly capable mid-range performer that brings a lot of value to the table. It's powered by a strong 12.5 amp motor, which gives it solid torque and good striking force for most concrete and masonry tasks. The RH15A offers 4 modes, including drilling, hammer drilling, chiseling, and chisel angle adjustment. It even features a vibration control system and safety clutch, both usually found in higher-end models. Overall, it's a solid, dependable hammer for medium to heavy-duty work without the premium price tag. Its main drawback: it's not quite as powerful as some professional-grade hammers, and DOVAMAN isn't as well known as other major brands. Plus, some listings mention varying voltages, so make sure you're getting the correct model for your region. If you're looking for an affordable tool that performs beyond expectations, especially for occasional job site work or serious home improvement, the RH15A offers tremendous value. Coming in at number 2, the ENEACRO is a powerful SDS Plus rotary hammer that packs a solid punch for its class. With a 13 amp motor and a 5.5 foot-pounds of impact energy, it's a step above most consumer-grade options, striking a great balance between power, control, and affordability. The ENEACRO features 4 operation modes, a 360-degree handle, and a built-in safety clutch, all backed by a vibration control system that genuinely makes extended drilling more comfortable. It also ships with a set of chisels, bits, and a carrying case, which gives it a nice advantage for users who want an all-in-one package right out of the box. However, while it delivers better energy output than the DOVAMAN, it still doesn't compete with top-tier pro tools in brute force or speed. Its weight, combined with the accessories, can also make it feel bulkier than it really is. This hammer is ideal for contractors or serious DIY enthusiasts who want a reliable, mid-range machine that can handle both light demolition and structural drilling without hesitation. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, the Bosch. This is the heavy hitter of the lineup, built for professional-grade demolition, drilling, and concrete cutting. It's big, it's tough, and it delivers an incredible 9.3 foot-pounds of impact energy through its SDS Max bit system. The Bosch is all about control and power. It features a sophisticated vibration reduction system, a turbo mode for an extra power boost, and an adjustable chisel positioning system that's perfect for precision work. Despite its weight, the balance and feel are fantastic for a tool this powerful. Of course, its size and heft mean it's not designed for tight spaces or casual weekend jobs. And if you don't need that level of power, it's probably more tool than you'll ever use. But if you're a professional or someone tackling large concrete or demolition projects, this is the rotary hammer to beat. An absolute workhorse that'll power through anything you throw at it. So there you have it, 5 rotary hammers ranked from weakest to best, each designed for a different kind of user. Whether you're a casual DIYer or a full-time pro, one of these tools will be the right fit for your next project. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get the best deals on today's featured tools. And remember to like this video and subscribe for more detailed reviews just like this one.